So, let us continue this meaningful dialogue by welcoming our next speaker. Our next participant is Iqra Sardar from SOS Children's Village School, Quetta.
Student Village Quetta, and I am honored to join this extreme gathering and share my thoughts on a subject that impacts all of us. Today I want to talk about something that connects all of us, our health. No matter where we come from, what we do or what we believe in, one thing is certain, health is our greatest wealth. And to protect it, we must to stand with science. And science is not just something that's happening in laboratories, it's a part of our daily lives. From the medicine we take to the vaccine that protect us, to the clean water we drink, science is always working quietly in the background to save us. Think about a time when the world faced a serious health crisis. During a such moment, it was a science that guided us. Doctors, researchers, and the healthcare workers worked day and night, using a scientific knowledge to save lives. Their efforts remind us that when we trust science, we give ourselves the best chance to survive. But here's are the challenges: science can only help us if we are listen to it. Today's world, we are surrounded by information, social media, conversations, and opinions are everywhere. Unfortunately, not all this information is true. Misinformation spread quickly, creating confusion and sometimes even harm. People begin to doubt even a proven treatment, ignore health advice, and make choices that can risk their lives and the lives of others. This is why standing with science is more important than ever. Standing with science means believing in evidence, not rumors. It means trusting trainers, professionals, not unverified source. It means choosing fact over fear. Now let's talk about word together. Health is not just a personal matter. It's a shared responsibility. When one person takes care of their health, it creates a ripple effect that benefit the entire community. For example, when we follow hygiene practice, we prevent the spread of disease. When we get vaccine, we protect not only ourselves but also those who are more valuable, like children, adults, and those with weaker immune system. Together for health mean unity. It's mean government make strong health policies, doctors provide care, scientists doing research, and citizens playing their part responsibly. Every role matters, every action counts. Imagine a society where everyone chooses to follow science-based health practice. Fewer people would be fall sick, hospitals would be less crowded, families would feel safer, lives would be longer and healthier. This is not just a dream, it is a responsibility if we all work together. Let's not forget the power of small actions. Sometimes we think big actions require big effort, but there is not always true. Let's not forget the power of small actions. Sometimes we think big change required big effort, but it's not always true. Small habits like washing hands regularly, eating healthy food, exercising, and follow medical advice can be a huge difference. These small steps, when taken together by million people, creating a healthier world. In conclusion, today for health, standing with science is more than just a message. It is a responsibility that we all share. It reminds us that health is not something we can take for granted. It's required awareness, effort, and unity. If we want a healthier future, we trust science, reject misinformation, and work together as a community. Because when we combine the power of science with the strength of unity, we can overcome any health challenge. So let's make a commitment today to stand with science, to support one another, and to build a healthier, safer world for ourselves and future generations. Thank you.